Hello everyone, welcome to Day to Day Human channel. Today we are going to be looking at a microphone. The brand name is Tonor microphone. This is how I received the box from Amazon. So let's look at the box. This is how it is. Very plain and simple box. Interestingly, I bought this for $47.99, whereas if we look at the price now, it is listed for £68.99. So that's a huge increase. So probably if you are looking at this product in Amazon, I would request to wait for a few weeks to see if the price is coming down. As you know, Amazon keeps fluctuating the price. So I don't know for what reason they have increased the price. But this one has a very good rating. It has 4,846 rating and it is close to 5 stars. So that's really great. I haven't used this microphone yet. So basically I'm going to open the box now and then use it and give you a solid review. So let's open the box. Nicely packed. As you can see, this is a Tonor brand Q9 studio microphone. So that's kind of a user manual with product features. Let's quickly look at the product features. USB 2.0 high-speed running, built-in professional noise reduction, audio decoding chip, recording sampling rate, high sensitivity, clear sound and low noise with LED indicator, with volume control, mute button switch, microphone, built-in USB sound card driver, need not install extra driver. It's basically plug and play. Compatible with Windows 2000, XP, 7, 8, 9, 10 and macOS, etc. So pretty decent manual. No clue how I'm going to fit all this, but this is how all the parts look like. Okay, looks like a mic cover. This looks like a mic, it's heavy. Yeah, there it is. There's the volume control. It's a USB socket. That's the arm, I guess. Yeah, that's your arm. That's your arm. That's the cable. And I believe these are the connectors. Yep, so these are the connectors. So just to give you a quick highlights on the features, it's a convenient volume button. That's a feature, and it's basically plug and play, so you can connect it directly to your computer or your PS4, and then you have freely adjustable arm, so that's the piece here, and you have all metal shock mount, so that's the piece here, and you have double layered pop filters and a mic cover. So that's basically, this is the double layered pop filter and a mic cover for you. Unfortunately, they haven't given a manual on how to set this up, so there is no manual about that. I guess we need to figure it ourselves. So let's see. So I think I found one. Basically this goes in here, so let's connect it. And I guess the mic piece goes in this. Okay, so this is the clip. So they're given a clip here. So if you press it, it expands and you can insert the mic in and leave it. That's it. So that's how you fix the mic. Let's go to the cables. So I believe the cable gets connected here. Oops. So this piece, okay, you basically have a screw here, so you have to make sure you tighten it nicely, right, so that it holds it strong, or else it's going to fall down because of the mic weight. So this is the down part. I'm not sure where it goes or how it gets fixed, but this is the down part. Okay, so it looks like this piece here gets connected to the other side of the arm and you can tighten it. That's it. It gets fixed. Alright, so this is the piece where you have to use to mount it to the table. So let's mount it to the table. Okay, so this is how I have mounted the mic, and as you see that it's all foldable, flexible. You can actually turn it any side you want. So that's all done. So I've also connected this, I've tightened this, so you can also adjust the mic, and you can also adjust the mic and tighten it however you want. So that's how you set it up. So the last piece we have is this. So basically, you gotta lose this, connect it somewhere here. See this, you can connect it somewhere here, and this thing is again this is again flexible, so you can basically bring it like this. There you go. So that's how you set it up. So let me see how my voice sounds in this mic. I will add some samples to the end of the video. So let's record it and see how it sounds. Okay, this is something you are hearing it from the mic. It's at max volume. So let me reduce the volume down. Okay, I've reduced it once now. This is the second time I've reduced it. This is the third time I've reduced it. This is the fourth time I've reduced it. This is the fifth time I've reduced it. This is the sixth time I've reduced it. This is the seventh time I've reduced it. This is the eighth time I've reduced it. This is the ninth time I've reduced it. And this is the 10th time I've reduced it. These are the samples. Sample 1, sample 2, sample 3, sample 4, sample 5, and sample 6. So let me know guys, what do you think about the microphone? So all this sound is coming from the microphone now. I hope this sounds better. So that's all about Tonor USB microphone Kit Q9 condenser. As I said, this now sells for $68.99. Don't know what's the reason behind this, probably too much of a demand. So that's all about the Tonor USB microphone kit. So if you like the video, give a like, subscribe to my channel for further videos. and share this information with your friends and family members. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Take care. Cheers. Bye.